Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, friends. Today we from group 13, PI2 class will present the result of our research, which is the output of the Islamic psychotherapy course with the lecturer Mr. Iredo Vanireza, MASE, with the title Applying Haukola Zikir Therapy to Relieve Anxiety. Here is group 13 which consists of 1. Siti Khadijah with name 222-0901-076. 2. Ridona with name 222-0901-077. 3. Aryu Lahesi with name 222-0901-069. Alright, we get into the first material. Here, I will explain the abstract first. Abstract. Zikir Haukola therapy, which means there is no power and force except by God, has been used as a strategy to reduce anxiety. The study involves a qualitative approach descriptive, with data gathering through interviews, depth, and observation. The research subject is a woman with initial is having a breakdown anxiety. Research shows that therapy Zikir Haukola had significant impact of reduction in anxiety experienced by subject. Next, introduction. Work is routine activity carried by humans. Humans to work fulfill their needs, not only psychological needs, but also material needs. Psychology, the meaning of work creates a sense of identity, status, or social function. Kamisasi 218. Anxiety is something that every human being naturally experiences when at work. High work, high workloads, risk work environment, and high professional demands can cause pressure that affect individual motivation and enthusiasm at work. Dinar 2019. Next is the second speaker, which will be delivered by Ridona. To whom it my concern.
Thanks to Siti. Here I will explain the method we use in this research. This research uses descriptive qualitative methods by conducting in-depth interviews and observation. The subject in this study is a woman with the initial IM, 20 years old, and currently working in a food company. This research instrument is 3 researchers who held their respective roles during the interview session, namely as interviewers, observers, and minutes. The data sources used are primary data sources that come from sources directly and secondary sources obtained from the result of documentation. Next result. Based on research conducted on the subject, he has generalized anxiety, especially when it comes to serving customers at work. However, this anxiety at the food company. Sometimes anxiety can feel worried about something for a few days and then customers at the food company, so he and his coworkers panicked and were afraid that they would make mistake in orders from customer or serve customer incorrectly. After evaluation, the independent Haukola remembers therapy by the subject for 1 week. He suggests that this therapy was very effective in relieving anxiety, especially recited after performing Fardu praise. The subject is likely the routines this Haukola remembers. Therapy after performing Fardu praise. Similarly, the subject experienced one of the things that made him feel at home. Working at the company was the comfort of interacting in his work environment, so the anxiety he experienced was not the heat. Thank you.
Well, thank you to the second speaker. Next, the third speaker will be presented by Aryu Lahesi. To whom is it invited?
Thank you, moderator. Here I will explain the discussion section. Anxiety is a mental condition that is often experienced by many people in this modern era. According to Kartini Kartono, anxiety is a form of fearlessness plus anxiety about things that are not clear. In line with that, Sarlito Wirawan Sarwono explained that anxiety is fear that has no clear object and no clear recession. In practice, the zikir of Haukola can be done anytime and anywhere. Individuals can repeat these recessions solemnly, but when facing problems that trigger anxiety and as part of the daily routines. According to Subandi, the recession of zikir can calm, arouse self-confidence, feel safe, peace, and profit a feeling of happiness. In line with research conducted by Reza, it states that the habit of remember Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, either by recitation tasbih, istighfar, tasbih can make someone feel calm and peaceful. After 1 week of playing Haukolah Remember, therapists regularly, the subject felt a calmer and more focused mean. Zikir Haukolah helped improve concentration and calm the mind that was previously filled with worry and tension. This calmer and more focused state of mind will help the subject in managing the anxiety experience. Haukola Zikir therapies can help improve an individual through reflection of zikir. Individuals learn to control excessive emotional response to anxiety proofing situation. Thus, individuals will the better able to cope with emergent anxiety and maintain emotional balance. Terus, according to the research assumption, Haukola Zikir therapies help to calm to mind that is filled with warrior and food about first about the food future. When individuals focus on saying zikir, their minds will be centered on positive things instead of being trapped in negative thoughts that trigger anxiety. Well, that's all I can say. I later is to moderator.
Okay, thank you to speaker third. Next, okay, the second speaker will read the conclusion. Will be presented by Ridona, to whom it is invite.
Okay, thanks to Siti. Next itu conclusion. How Kala remembers therapy helps to calm the mind and improve focus. Repetition of the Hawkala Zikir sentence La hawla wa la quwata illa billah. There is no power and effort apart from Allah. Attention to negative tools. The trigger anxiety. This calm and more focused state of mind will make it easier for the subject to manage the anxiety experience. A comfortable and supportive work environment can improve the quality of whole life, reduce stress and individual anxiety. Subject feel at home at work because of the pleasant work environment and good social interaction. After doing Hawkala remembrance therapy for a week, the subject felt that this therapy was effective in relieving his anxiety, especially when done after the form pray. The subject plans to routine the zikir therapy. Overall, the anxiety experienced by the subject didn't interfere too much with his work, supported by a comfortable work environment and the effective application of zikir therapy. Thank you. I return in the modern.
Thank you, Ridona. Finally, thank you will be delivered by third speaker. Speaker will be presented by Aryula Hesi, to whom it is invite.
Okay, thank you, Siti. Next is acknowledgement. With the completion of this article, the author would a special like to thanks Mr. Iredo Vanireza, SPSI MASI, as the lecturer is charge of the Islamic psychotherapy course. We also profit attention and assistance during the process of reading this article and colleagues in group 13 PE2 class of 2022 as well a friend of PE2. Thank you also to the research subject Miss IM Miss IM, who has been willing to be a research subject and pour out her story and material for the application of Hawkala Zikir therapy. I am who has been willing to be cause a research subject and devote her story to be as a material in the application of Hawkala Zikir therapy. We would also like to thank those those who have been involved in reading the research article. Well, that's all I can say. Research it to the moderator.
Yes, thank you. Will be speaker third, Aryula Hesi. Well, the presentation of our group 13 has ended. Please apologize if there are any mistakes in words both in the research, procedures, and in pronunciation of words. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi